Are you working on a BMW and want to install Julie PRO Emulator in it? You open the instruction manual and read, based on the ISN code that you have read, write the appropriate values to the emulator's unsoldered 24C02 memory. You already have the ISN code, but where are the values that need to be written into the emulator? From now on, you can get them thanks to a brand new function of Toolbox section in Immo Bypass. This function is available for free also in demo version of Immo Bypass. All you need is a free Immo Bypass account, a PC version of Immo Bypass installed, ISN code from your ECU, 1 to 4 digits. So how does it work? Take a look at how simple it is. Open Immo Bypass and sign in to your account. Click Toolbox at the top of the screen. Select BMW and Values Calculating function. Enter ISN code from your ECU and click Calculate Values. And it's done! You can see the calculated values on the right. Knowing 8-bit code, you can now enter it to the emulator's EEPROM and continue the procedure according to the manual.
CarLabImmo. Immo off, simple.